Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the clock. Kindergarten students would have seen the clock in many areas of real life. Try and give them a basic introductory explanation of how a clock works. They can trace the numbers from 1 to 12 and decorate the clock. So that's a very simple exercise here and they will enjoy doing that. Students can be asked to trace the words and decorate the clock. So they've seen all these words here for the numbers from 1 to 12. They saw that in the initial videos. So they'd be able to do some tracing there and they can decorate that clock beautifully. At this stage, they would understand time on the hour. So for example, most students would understand, say, 9 o'clock, because that is roughly when school starts. Most of them would understand, say, the time 3 o'clock. Of course, roughly, that's when school could finish. So we can give them a basic explanation of time on the hour. I think that's a pretty good way to start. So here are 12 clocks altogether, giving you all the different times on the hour. So in a very simple and basic way, just explain to them the minute hand and the hour hand, the minute hand, the hour hand, and where those two hands have to be situated when we have time on the hour. And they can be presented with those 12 clocks there, and that would make the learning a lot easier. They can be invited to colour in these clocks and decorate them even more to make them look more attractive. And they could even be invited to draw their own clocks. So it's certainly not a strange topic to the students. They certainly would not be aware of telling all the different times, that is, times off the hour, but they can do that later. But I think it's not a bad idea to at least start them with time on the hour.